In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. This process allows you to view, manage, and organize your schedule directly within your Notion workspace, so you no longer need to switch between multiple apps or browser tabs just to check your events. Having your calendar visible alongside your notes, tasks, and projects can help you stay organized and make managing your time much easier. To start, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you are logged into the account that contains the calendar you want to embed. Once the calendar interface has fully loaded, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This opens the settings panel where all the configuration options for your calendar are located. From there, select Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you will see a list of all available calendars linked to your account. Choose the specific calendar you want to embed into Notion. In order for the calendar to embed properly, make sure it is set to public by enabling the option that allows it to be available to the public under Access Permissions for Events. Once public access is enabled, look for the public URL associated with that calendar. Carefully copy this link, as it will be the one used to display your calendar in Notion. Next, switch over to Notion and navigate to the page where you want the Google Calendar to appear. Click anywhere on the page to activate the editor, then type /embed and select the embed option from the menu that appears. Paste the Google Calendar URL into the embed field and click Embed Link. Notion will process the link, and within a few seconds, your Google Calendar will appear directly on your page. Once it is visible, you can adjust the size and layout by dragging the corners or edges of the embed box, resizing it so that it fits perfectly within your page design and workflow. With the calendar fully embedded, you can now view your schedule, track important dates, and stay organized without leaving Notion. This setup not only keeps everything in one central location, but also enhances productivity by making it easier to plan and manage your time efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Google Calendar into Notion in a simple, effective way, and you're ready to start using it right away to stay on top of your schedule. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.